Year 2025, month of October. In this video, I'm going to go over making a minimal Cobol program that can compile with GNU Cobol 3.2. Alright, so I'm in a directory called Cobol, and I'm going to go into a subdirectory called minimal. So we'll just change the directory into minimal, list everything in there. You'll notice this directory and the source code file minimal.cbl and the executable file minimal all has the same name. That's a good naming convention to keep things organized. I'm now going to use vi improved to look at minimal.cbl. There it is. The main COBOL vocabulary I want to go over is identification division, the environment division, the data division, and the procedure division, the four divisions that every COBOL program must have. For GNU Cobol 3.2, stop run in the procedure division that is not indented into area B will end the program. There's nothing in environment division or data division for this one. The program ID within the source code file is the same as the name as the source code file, the directory it's in, and the executable file that we made. So I'm just going to :quit. When it's compiled, it'll make minimal. So I'll do /minimal. Nothing is output. So this is an example of a very minimal program that you use to just see that your compiler is running and to try and figure out what kind of COBOL dialect you're working with. I know I'm working with uh, uh, GNU COBOL, which is pretty easy to use, but you might do Microfocus, Accu COBOL, and old IBM COBOL. There's a lot of systems out there, and they have variations, and so you can run these minimal programs to see, kind of test which ones you're working with if you don't know. I'm in communication with some other COBOL programmers now. I'm gonna probably have more about that later. But for now, I'm glad that we were able to go over some of the most minimal COBOL programs you can have. Thank you.